Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar. Today is part 3 of episode 5, and this topic is very special because it is about friends.
Let's start.
Friends joke a lot. You don't need perfect jokes, just simple English. Here are easy joking sentences. Just kidding. I'm joking. Don't be serious. Relax.
Humor makes English friendly and human. Practice.
Repeat after me. Just kidding. I'm joking. Relax, it's okay. Perfect. Episode 18, Funny Story 6. Alex took a joke seriously. Alex's friend once said, "You're late again."
He was joking, but I replied seriously, "No, actually, I was only 3 minutes late."
Alex started explaining with facts and time charts.
My brain forgot jokes exist.
What we learn. Look at the face, listen to the tone. If it's a joke, smile and say, "Haha, I know. Yeah, I guess." Section 19, agreeing and disagreeing politely. Friends agree and disagree politely. Easy agreeing sentences. I agree. That's true. Exactly.
Easy disagreeing sentences. I don't think so. Maybe, but I'm not sure about that.
Practice. Repeat. I agree. That's true. I don't think so. Maybe, but excellent. Section 20. Funny Story 7. Luna said yes to everything. One day, I agreed with everything. Friend said, "This movie is amazing." Me, yes. Friend, "This food is terrible." Me, yes.
You agreed with opposite things.
My brain went on vacation. What we learn. Listen before agreeing. Cheers. Section 21. Ending a conversation naturally. Friends don't say goodbye forever. They say, "I have to go. Talk to you later. See you soon. Catch up later."
These endings sound natural and friendly. Practice.
Repeat. I have to go. Talk to you later. See you soon. Section 22. Final long role play. Hey, Alex, how was your day?
It was okay. A bit busy. You?
Same here. Any plans for tonight?
Not really. Just relaxing.
Nice. Maybe we can catch up later.
Sure. Talk to you later.
Section 23. Speaking practice for you. Final. Now answer out loud. 1. How are you today? 2. What do you like doing? 3. What are your plans? 4. How do you end a conversation?
Speak slowly. Smile. You're doing great.
Section 24. Confidence and motivation. Friends don't need perfect English.
They need your voice, your smile, your effort.
Every small conversation makes you stronger. If this episode helped you speak better with friends, like this episode, share it with friends, and subscribe to Miss Grammar.
Episode 6, English at the Restaurant, is coming next.
See you soon!